Caught in the night, the city lights are blurring in the neon glow. A midnight breeze is blowing, but the time moves slow. I still remember the warmth of your skin and the sweet, sweet love that we used to be in. Walking these streets all on my own with a heart that's heavy, so far from home. Oh, it's a sweet love, but it's slipping away. Caught up in the rapture of yesterday. I can feel you touching the cool June air, but I reach out my hand and you're not there. Just a jazzy memory playing in the dark, leaving a shadow on my broken heart. The scent of your perfume is lingering still. I try to forget you, but I know I never will. A glass of red wine, a slow tempo groove. Every single melody is making me move back to the night when you